See this green bar? That's $32,000 already in our bank, not just invoiced. Another invoiced $50K is queued to arrive on time because Paystorm caught the risk early. I'm Sunim, Paystorm's co-founder. Walk with me for the next 60 seconds. I sign in with Google and sync QuickBooks in under 2 minutes, no passwords, no training. The dashboard flags all high-risk invoices, customers, and shows a 31-day cash forecast, so I know instantly if that new hire is affordable or not. Paystorm found our riskiest clients, city limousines. We can take recommended actions from our Action Hub. Just tap Send, and Paystorm will mail a personalized reminder. That click usually replaces 3 to 4 handwritten emails because the language is very specific to the customer, their behavior, and payment history. Our ML also makes sure of that. If you need more muscle, however, we also have the incentives engine, which can fire early pay discounts and late fee escalations with the same one-tap flow. And for the bigger picture, we offer the customer recommendations page, which ranks every account, so I always know what to do next to keep my business lean. Knowing your company in a glance, less chasing, and steadier cash, that's what we're offering. Thank you, and I'm excited for you to try it out.